Today I'm going to share some useful links, or I can say that these are data sources for those students who are preparing for exams, for FPSC exams, for CSS exams, PMS exams, or for other exams. They can also be helpful for those people who want to know more about, or those who are knowledge seekers, those people who want to improve their knowledge. They will also find it useful. So, what you need to do is you must have the spirit of knowing, or you must have love for learning. You can find whatever you want to. Nowadays, it's the age of internet because human beings are unique. They are different in one way. That is, they have stored more knowledge outside of their bodies. Like if you look at other species, they have all the knowledge that is within their bodies, but human beings have stored knowledge, more knowledge outside their bodies in the form of internet, computers, books, and other things. So that's why here are some of the data links that you will find useful. Number one, first of all, you should know the websites. Federal Public Service Commission website is www.fpsc.gov.pk. Punjab Public Service Commission website is www.ppsc.gop.pk. And similarly, Sindh Public Service Commission, that is www.spsc.gov.pk. And KPK, www.kppsc.gov.pk. And Balochistan, bpsc.gov.pk. And AJK, www.ajkpsc.gov.pk. Some of the other websites of Government of Pakistan, these are links to those websites: establishment.gov.pk, pakistan.gov.pk, PMO, Prime Minister Office, pmo.gov.pk, pbs.gov.pk, SBP, State Bank of Pakistan.gov.org.pk, establishment, uh, that already I've already said, senate.gov.pk, NA, National Assembly.gov.pk. Similarly, so these are, you can go to their websites and you can find updated knowledge, and I hope they update it on time as well. Pakistan's leading newspapers. If you're preparing for exam, you must read Dawn newspaper and other newspapers as well. So Dawn is dawn.com, DODAWN, DAWN.com. Citynews.com, thenews.com.pk, thecitynews.com.pk, dailytimes.com.pk, jung.com.pk. Similarly, there are many other newspapers as well you will find. Some of the magazines like herald.dawn.com and rd.com, these are also useful magazines for those students who are preparing for exams. Some international organizations, they are United Nations, UN.org, worldbank.org, imf.org, cia.gov. CIA website has a lot of information. Usually you call it World Fact Book. Similarly, WE Forum, World Economic Forum, Britannica.com, and TED.com. TED Talks are also, I love TED Talks. You can also watch some of the TED Talks. They are inspirational, and you will find TED Talks about your relevant field as well. Similarly, you need quotations. My favorite one is Goodreads.com because mostly they're authentic, and you can also find good writers there. And brainycode.com, many people like it. Quora is also a good website. And for vocabulary, vocabulary.com. Similarly, there are many: Wordsift, Lexico.com, and but Oxford and Cambridge and other universities, they also have their own dictionaries now online. So thanks to Dr. Johnson who made dictionary, and now they are available. Some other websites which can be helpful to you, they are Future Learn, EDX, Coursera, similarly Khan Academy. You will find a lot of YouTube education, Google education, they've also started. So you will find. Similarly, for books, there are many sites you can find: books.com, bookboon.com, ebookie.org, sharebooksfree.com. So you can find a lot of websites for books as well. And online educational support you will also find, uh, such as Tufts University website is ocu.tufts.edu, and university. There are some other universities like Utah State University and University of Michigan. They also have websites, and I think other universities. Harvard, I think they use EDX for free courses, and MIT has OpenCourseWare where you can find Yale, MIT, California TV. They have YouTube channels, so you can find lectures of professors over there, and these lectures, I found these lectures very useful. Oxford and Cambridge, you don't find many lectures of Oxford and Cambridge, and I think they should also upload. But American universities, they have uploaded a lot of. Similarly, Indian professors, they have also started a lot of channels on YouTube, and they are free. You can watch them. Similarly, if you want to know the answer, you have a question and you want to know the answer, you can go to answer.com, and there are other websites as well. Search websites are Google, and you will have some other websites as well, which you will find out. And similarly, latest news. I think CNN, BBC, Fox News, MSNBC, New York Times, USA Today, and for business, Bloomberg Television. These are some for Australia, ABC Australia, and there are many other channels as well. For sports, if you want sports, then 10 Sports in Pakistan usually, or ESPN, and internationally there are like Sky News, Sky Sports, Fox Sports. There are a lot of channels. For medical information, Kids Doctor, Med Explorer, and National Library of Medicine. You can find their websites, and you will find. Similarly, for journals, you will find many journals online. You can South Asian journals, for example, for preparation that could be helpful to you. And for science and medical field, you can find some of the useful journals as well, like dovepress.com. That is also free journal. You can have free access. Then you have academic research software, similarly Google Scholar, and academia, academiclive.com, science.gov. So I think these are some of the useful websites. And here I would like to mention Doctor. If you want to study good articles about education and science, Dr. Tharuman's article, they are good, and he made his own website. But for CSS preparation, you must read articles by Farooq Salim. He writes in uh, he writes in the news on Sunday. The title is Capital Suggestion, but he has his own websites, and you can uh, find a lot of useful articles over there as well. So these were some of the useful links that I wanted to share with you. I hope you will search these, and if you have you are preparing for CSS or for competitive exam, so I think that these data sources can be very helpful to you. Best wishes for your future. Good luck. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.